Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Hammock Waterproof 54 by 58-inch dog car seat cover, the EasyHaWei dog car seat cover. If you're a pet parent who loves to travel with your furry friend, this is the one product that could transform every ride from messy chaos into a smooth, clean, and calm experience. Let's jump into the details and see why this cover is worth every bit of attention. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is its thoughtful design. This isn't just a seat cover, it's a multi-functional pet travel solution. Made from 600D Oxford cloth, this material is scratch-proof, highly durable, and crafted to handle everything from muddy paws to heavy shedding. It's tough, but soft enough to keep your pet cozy on long drives. One of the standout features is the mesh visual window in the center. This mesh panel lets your dog see you clearly from the back seat, easing their anxiety and helping them stay calm. It also promotes better air circulation, which is a blessing during summer or when the AC is on. Now let's talk about safety. The EasyHaWei seat cover is equipped with upgraded accessories that make a huge difference. You've got 4 headrest straps, side flap straps, 2 seat anchors, and a non-slip backing. All of this works together to keep the cover snugly in place, preventing it from sliding or collapsing, even when your dog moves around a lot. Plus, it includes a seat belt leash that clips right into your car's belt system, offering extra safety during sudden stops or turns. If you've struggled with cleaning pet gear in the past, you'll be relieved here. The 100% waterproof construction is made possible thanks to heat pressing technology. No needle holes, no seams to leak through. That means water, drool, and accidents are easily contained. Just wipe it down with a cloth, vacuum it, or rinse it off with water. Hang it to dry, and you're good to go. You'll also love its versatility. This cover isn't limited to being a backseat hammock. Flatten it out and it becomes a car bench cover, a cargo liner, or even a picnic mat. So whether you're heading to the park, going on a road trip, or just making a run to the vet, the EasyHaWei adapts to your needs. And for those of you wondering about fit, the standard 54 by 58-inch version is designed to accommodate most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. It covers the entire seat, including the sides, for full protection. If you have a larger vehicle, there's also an XL option available for even more coverage. Installation is a breeze, literally a 1-minute setup. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you'll find it simple to secure and adjust without any tools or extra help. And just when you thought it couldn't get better, there's an oversized storage pocket built in. Great for storing toys, leashes, treats, or anything else you'd normally toss on the seat. So if you've been looking for a car seat cover that's waterproof, durable, safe, and easy to clean, and lets your dog feel safe and calm during travel, the EasyHaWei dog car seat cover checks all the boxes. It's functional, thoughtfully designed, and built with your pet's comfort and safety in mind. That wraps up our review here on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product breakdowns coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy travels with your furry companion.